Everywhere you look, people seem worried about money. Maybe it's your friend who always checks her bank balance before saying yes to dinner, or your coworker who jokes about being broke every payday. Maybe like me, you felt your stomach twist after opening a credit card bill. Money stress is so common, it almost feels normal. But it doesn't have to be this way. The truth is, money worry isn't just about how much you make. I've met people earning six figures who still feel broke. I've also met people making much less who feel calm and in control. So what's going on? Why do some of us always feel like we're just scraping by even when the numbers say otherwise? There's a hidden factor at play. It's not your salary, your job title, or even your expenses. It's your mindset. Specifically, it's something called a scarcity mindset. This is the real reason so many of us feel broke, even when we're not. Let's dig into what a scarcity mindset is, how it keeps us stuck, and, most importantly, how you can break free, starting today. A scarcity mindset is the belief that there is never enough. Not enough money, time, or resources. When it comes to money, it shows up as constant worry. You might think, I'll never get ahead, or if I spend now, I won't have enough later. These thoughts loop in your head, making you feel trapped. This mindset doesn't care how much you earn. It's all about your beliefs. Even if you get a raise or a bonus, you might still feel anxious. You tell yourself, once I make more, I'll feel secure. But that day never seems to come. The finish line just moves farther away. Why does this happen? Our brains are wired to focus on what we lack, not what we have. It's a survival instinct. In the modern world, it often backfires. Instead of helping, it keeps us stressed and stuck. The worst part? When you're stuck in scarcity, you can't see opportunities. You only see problems. This makes it almost impossible to plan, save, or enjoy what you have. When you're trapped in a scarcity mindset, your choices change. You start to focus on short-term survival, not long-term planning. You might skip saving because there's never enough left over, or you avoid looking at your bank account because it feels too stressful. Maybe you buy things impulsively just to feel better for a moment. This can quickly become a cycle. You feel anxious, so you avoid your finances. That avoidance leads to more money trouble, which creates more anxiety. It's exhausting, and it keeps you feeling broke, no matter your income. Scarcity also makes you more likely to compare yourself to others. You see friends traveling or buying nice things and wonder, how did they do it? Instead of feeling inspired, you feel behind. This comparison only makes the scarcity mindset stronger. Even when good things happen, like a raise or a tax refund, it doesn't solve the problem. You might spend it quickly, or worry it will disappear. You're always waiting for the other shoe to drop. That's the power of scarcity. It clouds your judgment and steals your peace of mind. But there's another way, and it starts with your mindset. I know the pain of money stress personally. Years ago, I lived paycheck to paycheck. Even after landing my first real job, I remember checking my bank account, hoping the numbers had somehow changed overnight. Every unexpected expense felt like a disaster. I told myself, if I just make more, things will get better. But each time my income went up, my confidence didn't. The anxiety stayed. I still felt broke, even when my bank balance said otherwise. I was stuck in the same cycle: earn, worry, spend, repeat. The turning point came when I realized the problem wasn't just my bank account, it was my mindset. I needed a new way to think about money. Instead of seeing it as a source of stress, I wanted to see it as a tool for freedom. I started reading, learning, and trying new things. I made mistakes, lots of them. But little by little, I built a system that finally made me feel in control. It wasn't about making more money. It was about changing how I thought about the money I had. That shift changed my life, and it can change yours too. For most of us, the word budget sounds like a punishment. We imagine spreadsheets, guilt, and never having fun. No wonder so many people avoid making a budget. But what if we saw budgeting differently? What if a budget was actually about giving yourself permission? Here's the secret. A good budget isn't just a list of what you can't do. It's a plan for what you want to say yes to. It's your map for living life on your terms. When you know where your money is going, you can spend on things you love without guilt or stress. Think of budgeting as a plan for freedom. It gives you confidence. Instead of worrying if you can afford dinner out, you know exactly what fits in your plan. Instead of feeling anxious about bills, you know they're covered. That's powerful. This mindset shift is the foundation of financial confidence. It's not about restriction, it's about making a plan that matches your real life and your real dreams. When you see budgeting as permission, everything changes. Imagine you're planning the road trip of a lifetime. Where do you start? You don't just get in the car and drive. First, you choose where you want to go. Next, you map out your route. You make sure you have enough gas, snacks, and a playlist. You look for fun stops along the way. Every great adventure starts with a plan. Money works the same way. If you don't know where you're going, you'll end up lost or running out of gas. A budget is your roadmap. It helps you decide what matters most. It makes sure you have enough for the essentials, the future, and the fun stuff too. On a road trip, you don't feel bad for spending money on gas or snacks. It's part of the journey. The same goes for your budget. When you plan for what you need and want, spending becomes a joy, not a source of guilt. If you take a wrong turn, you don't give up. You adjust the map and keep going. Your money plan should be just as flexible. Life changes, your budget can too. Here's the easy system that changed my life, and can change yours. Use 3 separate accounts for your money. It sounds simple, but it works. Here's how it goes. First, set up one account for your bills and monthly needs. This is for rent, groceries, utilities, everything you must pay. Second, open a savings account for future you. This is where you save for emergencies, goals, or, those big dreams. Third, keep a spending account for fun. This is your guilt-free money for eating out, hobbies, or little splurges. Every time you get paid, split your money into these 3 accounts. You can use percentages, like 60% for needs, 20% for future, and 20% for fun. Or choose numbers that fit your life. The key is to separate them so you always know what's safe to spend. This system takes the guesswork out of money. You know your bills are covered, you're saving for your future, and you can spend the rest without worry. No more accidentally spending your rent money on a night out. Now, here's the real magic. Automate everything. Set up your account so your paycheck is split automatically. Bills get paid from your needs account. Savings go straight to future you. Fun money lands in your spending account. You don't have to think about it every month. This is called paying yourself first. Instead of hoping you'll have money left to save, you save before you spend. Automation makes it easy. You set it up once, and then it runs in the background. You're building wealth and security without effort. Automation also removes temptation. When your money goes straight to savings, you're less likely to spend it. When your bills are paid automatically, you avoid late fees and stress. You free up mental space for things that matter more than checking your bank balance. Over time, this system builds confidence. You see your savings grow, you know your bills are handled. You can actually enjoy your money instead of worrying about it all the time. With this system, everything changes. Suddenly, spending money on coffee or a movie night doesn't feel risky. You know exactly how much is safe to spend. You can say yes to fun without feeling guilty. That's a game changer. The best part? You feel secure. If your car breaks down, you have money set aside in your future you account. If a friend invites you on a trip, you know whether you can afford it. Without stress or guesswork, you're in control. I've seen this system work for students, parents, and professionals of all incomes. It's not about being perfect. It's about having a plan that works for real life. And when you make mistakes, because everyone does, you adjust and keep moving forward. Imagine waking up and never feeling broke again. That's what happens when you have a simple automated plan. You get your life back. Here's the truth. Happiness with money isn't about making more. It's about having a plan you trust. When you automate your finances and give yourself permission to spend, you break the cycle of always feeling broke. No more money stress, no more guilt, no more waiting for someday to finally feel secure. Instead, you enjoy what you have, build for the future, and say yes to the things that matter most. That's real freedom. You can start today. Open those 3 accounts, set up automatic transfers, give yourself permission to enjoy your money. These small changes will add up fast. You'll feel the difference in your wallet, your mind, and your life. You don't have to feel broke ever again. Choose a new money story. With the right system and mindset, you can build a life that feels rich, no matter what your paycheck says. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment.
The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only.
and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.